today's video.
We're going to Bacolod Public Plaza and San Sebastian Cathedral.
See you!
One of the most iconic and historic places in the City of Smiles, the Bacolod Public Plaza. Dito madalas pumunta ang mga locals para maglakad-lakad o simpleng tumambay lang pagkatapos ng mahabang araw. During festivals like Mascara, this place becomes even more alive and colorful. Right now, we're here at San Sebastian Cathedral, one of the most important religious and historical landmarks in Bacolod City. Recently renovated, the cathedral now looks even more beautiful while still preserving its classic and timeless character. If you're visiting Bacolod, don't miss the chance to stop by San Sebastian Cathedral, a place that offers not only beauty but also serenity and meaning.
So that's it for today. See you in our next destination, buddies. Bye!